me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night.
It is moving day and I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. My heart is happy. I'm overjoyed and I'm calm. I'm at peace. Today's going to be a very beautiful day. So I've been waiting for this day for the last 40 days and I can't believe it's finally here. I can't believe it's finally here. I can't believe it's finally here. Today we're moving. Last night I didn't sleep. I felt like a child that was nervous to go on a school trip. I literally didn't sleep. You know when you're sleeping but you're not in that deep sleep? Like I kept having thoughts about the place. Right now I'm going to eat my breakfast in Sheke Mkapa. I just needed something filling, and then I'm going to finalize packing the toiletries. I need to pack food in the fridge, other kitchen things that we were using yesterday, and curtains. And then I need to pack some of the things into my car because I'm going to have 2 trips to take like some of the things. Yesterday we went to go fetch the keys, and the movers that I'm using are the same guys who helped me move from Midrand to here. And then now they're coming around 8 to 9, so I just really want to be quick. I don't want to spend too much time talking. I'm gonna try my best to take you guys on this day. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I did take an empty apartment tour yesterday. I was watching back the footage. It's very like unstable. The footage is very unstable, so I'm hoping that when I'm there for my first trip I can take another detailed apartment tour and then come back, have another trip. Probably the second trip I'm going to take will be with Ollie as well. I'm really excited. I want today to be a beautiful day, a calm day. I just want to be calm. I don't want to be stressed about anything. It's finally here. We're moving and I'm so happy. I'm so excited. You guys are gonna love the place. You guys are gonna love the place. Anyway, I'm talking a lot. So this is everything in the garage except for the bed and the bed frame that my husband is currently struggling to unassemble because it needs Allen keys in specific sizes, which is driving him crazy. So I'm gonna reverse my car. I'm gonna try to pack as many things as I can, including plants. Yeah, let me just get started. Embarking on this new journey to our new home is like turning a page to an exciting and promising chapter of our lives. It's been a while since I've experienced something genuinely new and exciting. What captivates me the most is the prospect of transforming this new space into a reflection of myself, a blank canvas awaiting to be stroked by my creativity. The freedom to design and mold the surroundings to suit both our taste is both liberating and empowering. Living in my previous place had its merits, facilitating connection with extended family members on my husband's side has been great. However, it's underscored the importance of personal space and privacy in my life. This move becomes a pivotal moment, a realization that personal sanctuaries are essential for one's well-being. This transition is more than just a change of address. It's a tangible answer to prayers uttered during a year marked by sacrifices. The newfound space signifies a fresh start, a sanctuary where the soul can be renewed and rejuvenated. Please catch up on my previous moving episodes that I'll link on the description box. The first one is my apartment hunting experience, followed by an empty apartment tour. If you watch the videos in order, it'll all make sense. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The moving company that we used was Mulawudzi's transport company. I initially used them with my move from Midrand to the West Rand, and at the time their services were quick, professional and efficient, and I didn't hesitate calling them when I wanted to move again. They also delivered the same high level of professionalism, handling logistics with precision and ensuring the safety of my belongings. I highly recommend Mulawudzi's transport company for anybody looking to move and use someone who's reliable and professional. They didn't take long with packing, and I just really liked the problem solving with like packing the van. It was really interesting for me to see. And then they were also just very gentle with packing the things when we arrived at the destination. So yeah, I do recommend them if you're interested. Everything will be in the description box. My car is so full. Right now I'm at the garage, I'm just filling up. The movers have already left. I'm gonna catch them now, then I'm gonna deliver what's in my car, come back, get the rest of the things, Ollie and my husband, and then we'll go back and start unpacking. I have arrived and it seems like the movers aren't here yet, but that's fine. I am just going to unpack what I have and I'll just wait for them. Okay, so the movers have just arrived. They're gonna start bringing things inside. Hopefully this will be quicker. The original plan was to transport sensitive items ahead of the moving company's arrival and then return home. However, due to my poor time management, I found myself on site when the moving crew began their work. Not wanting to be idle while they were handling the boxes, I decided to pitch in and assist. It was during this moment, during this hands-on involvement, where the reality actually struck that I should have actually traveled with my husband, because I actually found myself doing a lot of manual labor, moving the boxes. It was a really intense workout, especially because the truck couldn't really come into the estate because of a big tree that was going to make it difficult for them to reverse. So the back and forth with the boxes, it was intense.
Oh, so are you the one living here next?
Yes.
Oh, I'm Elodie.
Elodie.
So I'm the one just behind next year, but I'm only leaving like in 2 days, 2 weeks. So.
You're leaving in 2 weeks?
Yeah. We're going back to France, unfortunately, so we're gonna move.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been here for like 3 years now.
3 years.
Yeah.
Same with the lady who was here. She was also here.
Yes, we arrived exactly at the same time, which is very weird because we're living at the same time.
Yeah.
Just like that is so weird.
We'll catch up like in the week.
Yes, definitely. Good luck with
Thank you so much. Here are some tips that I'd like to share with you that made my packing and moving experience easier. So I did not want to feel stressed a week before moving. I am just generally a more organized person, and recognizing the importance of staying ahead of time, I began packing early. I started packing, I think, the day after paying the deposit, which is so crazy. So this was quite strategic. It helped me to prevent overwhelming chaos that often is accompanied by last minute changes, and I just wanted to approach the moving day with a sense of calm and readiness. Moving involves meticulous planning, and honestly I just wanted to make sure that the day was pretty relaxing for me. So to kickstart, I collected a few boxes from a shopping center. I asked 2 security guards to save the boxes for me, and I gave them a little bit of money, a bribe if you will. Packing became an organized affair as I tackled one room at a time, breaking down the process into manageable sections. This approach not only streamlined the packing, but also allowed me to bid farewell to items I no longer needed. A blend of selling, donating, and discarding pre-loved items lightened the load, making room for a fresh start in our new home. I viewed packing not merely as a logistical necessity, but a profound process of self-reflection and transition.
Ujele, you want to go somewhere? I am.
I'm not gonna.
This is the first place. Sharp. Fridge.
Yeah.
Fridge.
So they're still bringing in the fridge, the washing machine, the mattress, and the couch, and then we're pretty much done. Every item chosen carefully for the move held significance, representing a curated selection of what truly mattered to us. However, amidst the seamless preparation, I think there's always room for improvement. Labeling boxes, a task I initially overlooked, turned out to be a missed opportunity. The assumption that I would remember the contents of each box proved optimistic. Inside, I should have just used a black marker and just wrote on the boxes and not overthink as much as I did. I really enjoyed the moving process. I don't look forward to moving anytime soon because I absolutely loved where we moved to, but I think overall it was a good experience, and I just really wanted to be in the moment more than anything. And yeah, it's exciting times. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. am back home. I paused by Builders to get some rings for the curtains, and then I also got a potting mix for planting some plants, and then I paused by Westpac. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm tired. My tired is tired. So I passed by Westpac and I got 10 meters worth of bubble wrap to wrap the TV and the mirrors. And then I went to Checkers just to get some food. I got buns, cake, and some chips. I'm going to sit down and eat now and drink it down with some Coke. And then we're gonna go for round 2, which is the official move. What is like, what's this new place? We are here. I'm tired. It's been a very long, crazy day, and our landlord lady, she just gave us this sparkling wine. You know, the bathroom is probably the easiest room to like organize because it does not have a lot of stuff. This can probably also go to the bathroom. There's another box that I saw here that has like toilet stuff. The whole unlabeled boxes situation turned unpacking into a crazy puzzle. I've got to say though that unboxing is a walk in the park compared to the chaos of packing. I do not take it for granted to note to myself to label my boxes correctly in the future, because labeling is the secret sauce for smooth move and organizing. At this point, I am dead tired after the crazy workout of carrying a lot of those boxes into the house, and I'm also feeling very hot, but there's no time to kick back because all the stuff is piled up into one big mess. So it's time to just organize the space. So I started off with mopping the second bedroom so I can play a game of Tetris to move boxes around, and then after that I mopped the living room, and then we just kind of organized the space to be a bit livable. At this point my SD card got full, so I didn't share the rest of the night with you, even though it was a bit slow. I also packed the kitchen, which I'll share with you guys in the next video, so stay tuned for the video where we settling into the new space, talking about the first night, the first day, all that fun stuff. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Definitely tune in, and if you haven't watched the previous videos, do catch up on those as well. I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.